Hello, I'm Annie Sloan. Welcome to my channel. I'm very excited to tell you the story behind my brand and the way that we can help you transform your furniture and home. Back in 1990, I made a paint that would work for me, a versatile, easy to use paint, and I called it chalk paint. I had a vision to make a paint that would work for everybody, that would help them be creative and upcycle furniture, use it in their homes and make it easy for people to have beautiful places. I think everybody is creative. Little did I know that this would lead to a community of creative individuals across the world and, incredibly, a CBE from the King of England for interior design. Annie Sloan is a family-run business based in Oxford. I'm here in Oxford now. This is in my studio. My warehouses are here, my offices are here, my painting studios and workshops are here, and behind me is my factory. We produce high-quality paints here, ensuring that every tin meets my exacting standards. The vision I had for my paint was that it was easy to use, no prep, just get on with it, start painting and get it all done in a very short period of time. It allowed you to be very creative, makes your own individual piece that you can be really proud of for your home. Whether you're a seasoned upcycler or just starting out, there's really something so magical about upcycling, taking a piece of furniture and breathing new life into it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to get more tips, tricks and inspiration. And we can continue this journey one brushstroke at a time.